Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. So we're gonna pass this shortcut. We're gonna walk. We are here in Middle Quarry going to Lower Quarry. So let's go. If you want to do home training fitness, especially Muay Thai and kickboxing, please check out my other channel, Louis Corpuz. Just search and start your own home training for fitness or for self-defense. So let's walk. So this is we're going to City Camp. This is Lower Quarry going to City Camp. That is City Engineering's office, and that's CDRRMO. So this is City Camp. The sun is so bright, but there's a typhoon coming. This is one way. It's from Palma, Baguio City. And this is City Camp now, City Camp proper. So this is going to Ligarda. The sun is so hot. Let's walk. The honeymoon, this is like the popular male entertainment. Also that Baguio Angels. So these are the popular male like bars, male entertainment bars. Or like there are models, female models. This is the famous Baguio restaurant, Sizzling Plate. And Central Park Restaurant. That's DTI Benguet. So if you will be processing papers, that's DTI. And this is Good Taste. Good Taste, the may famous restaurant. So this is Burnham Park. Just here. That's also PRC regulation, Professional Regulation Commission. So it's just near here, Burnham. A lot of people. That's Rizal Park. Burnham Park. That's SM Baguio. So here we found a nice place to sit and rest. We walked from Middle Quarry to the Central Business District here in Burnham Park. Sit in here. Ooh. There. I have another channel. It's a kickboxing Muay Thai channel. Please check it out. You might want to start your home fitness. It's gonna be good. So thank you, and let's go walk again. Hello po, 30 pesos sa Pandesal Pinoy.
Alam naman ni Gino kapag naitalik yung sa pag